This is Dr. Phil Dry's personal log for the Obama win on November 7th, 2012. The wind is kicking. We've got a nor'easter coming, and we're in the Bronx. We're in the Bronx. I don't know where the hell I'm at. I'm just totally freaking screwed here. I'm screwed, and he's laughing. He doesn't want to be on camera.
Right, here you go.
He doesn't want to be on camera, but he's laughing at me. He's laughing at me.
Myself too. Shit, I'm not happy
Because
out here.
now I've exposed a secret spot I used to have and hiding out from the elected officials. Now I gotta help him out because he helped me out. But I ain't had nothing to lose. It took everything from me. God's doing me a favor, did me a favor. I helped him out. And I gotta give him a little bit more help. But meanwhile, here we are in the Bronx. And we were discussing the situation of somebody, a flood hits your house. They put you at your college, treat you real nice until the election. The minute, 1 minute after 9 o'clock, what? What's so funny? What's so funny? I'm telling the truth. 1 minute after 9 o'clock, they Shanghai everybody and they dump you in a flood house with a bunch of freaking drug addicts. The normal homeless, but the drug addicts, where the whole place is you gotta go to a program. What is that about? No. What? No, when I play it, you're gonna see it.
Okay.
What is that about? Can't nobody see with the hood on. You mean to tell me that's disaster relief? No. How you doing? All right? Yeah, well, I was talking about the emergency. Now we got more coming. Now what we got here is Dr. Phil Dry. I'm on location, and what have we got? We got big business. The police department is handling their business. You know why? They're here to serve and protect. Now let me help you here. I'm a veteran, and I'm going to tell you, Mayor Bloomberg, you can't tell me you take these people out their house in Far Rockaway and you dump them in the Bronx in the flop house. You can't do that. You just can't do that because it's not right.
FEMA 2.
Oh, FEMA 2? Oh, yeah. Oh, hello, Mr. President. Is that your agency? What?
You voted for him?
Well, I'm sorry, Mr. President. Remember I told you I can't vote? I campaigned for you last time, and the black Democrats of Southeast Queens just raped me. They just dogged me out. Now, and I mean the worst piece of crap joint in the Bronx. You drop off these people after you jack them out of your college, and you fed them a Last Supper. Thank God I did a video of the Last Supper. What, Jeff? Go ahead, talk to me, man. Come on, Hoodie. I ain't gonna give him your real name. His name is Jeff Hoodie. And we think this is a great job. You guys can't be freaking for real.
And don't want to give you no car fare.
Did you say car fare?
Don't want to give you no fucking car fare.
Whoa, hello. How you doing? Do you mean to tell me the reason why the Harlem and all these places got taken over by the elite is because of the high energy and transportation costs? High energy and transportation costs. There's been no gas in New York. So you mean to tell me you're going to take these people and you're going to dump them? The minute the election is over, the polls close at 9 o'clock, get them out of your college. Dump them somewhere in the Bronx. That's cute. I'm going back to the beach. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Security is everywhere around here. Look at these cameras. That's what I'm talking about. That's the Bronx. Big brother knows where you are. Bye-bye.